All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, get 365% of your initial deposit, 1% a day. All kinds of good stuff going on Frank's Crypto Corner. Well, today we're going to be talking about VVS Finance. Yep, this is the largest crypto project on crypto.com. Most people don't know that. We're going to check out an article with that. Go to their website. Is this a good discount buy? Possibly, maybe not. It did bounce back a little bit. All kinds of good stuff with VVS Finance. And also, Coinbase is buying all kinds of cryptocurrencies, even though things are struggling right now. You got the war going on. You got COVID going on. You got uncertainty going on. And Coinbase is gobbling up all kinds of cryptocurrencies at this moment as we speak. So we're going to talk about that. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right. Let's head over to VVS Finance. All right, coin market cap right here, VVS Finance, a solid number, 444. It's down 14% in the last 7 days, but it did bounce back 5% today. So it's only really down 9%. Clicking it, again, it's up today, 4.68%. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 2923 is our number. Let's go ahead and look at today. It's on a nice going up, but in the last 7 days, that's where it's kind of down. 7 days ago, it was a little bit higher. It has recouped 5%, but not as high as it was 7 days ago. All right, over here, what is VVS Finance? The largest project on Crypto.com's Cronos chain. Most people know that Crypto.com is an exchange and a wallet app competing with those of like Kraken and Coinbase with a series of high-profile advertisement campaigns. You know, those include Matt Damon, Super Bowl halftime with LeBron James, and naming rights of the Staples Center. However, the Singapore-based company has been doing much more since its launch, Cronos, and the EVM-compatible blockchain with DeFi ecosystem has grown steadily to $2.3 billion in TVL. TVL's total volume locked in since live in November. Well, VVS Protocol is the largest project on Cronos chain, taking up 59% of the total TVL. So again, TVL stands for total volume locked. So almost 60% of it is VVS protocol. As of February 15th. It is already the 7th largest DEX by total volume locked, currently behind Trader Joe and just ahead of Osmosis. Now, what is VVS Finance? VVS Finance is a DEX that provides the usual DeFi capacities. You know, you can swaps, the liquid pools, and staking. It stands for, and here's what VVS stands for. You ready? It stands for very, very simple finance. Did you know that the VVS stands for very, very simple finance? VVS Finance. I mean, so that'd be just a kind of a cute thing. Let's head on back over there. Making up a UVP clear, the platform aims to simplify DeFi as does through gamifications and easy-to-use interface. It also checks many of the boxes in the footprint recommended for those looking for assuring as a health crypto project. One, it's got sustainable initiative market cap. VVS Finance market cap has jumped 20 million to 170 million in the first couple of months since its launch, so that's fantastic. Reasonable trading volumes. VVS Finance trading volumes has mostly remained between 5 to 20% of the market cap. Price action. The price action on the protocol token VVS is about the volatility and would be expected from the new DEX project and the new chain with suspicious pumps. So right there, VVS Finance, the largest project on Crypto.com, Cronos chain, and we know that it's 59% right here, taking up 59%. All right, liking the VVS Finance. Now, the coin is down slightly right this second. Went down 14% in the last 7 days. Bounced back 5% today. So it's on the uptick. May want to check this out. Look at the radar. There's all kinds of good things going on with VVS Finance. Now, what about Coinbase? Buying all kinds of cryptocurrencies in a struggling market right now. What's going on with that? Let's head over to Coinbase. Coinbase continues to buy crypto even as the market struggles. Coinbase purchases $500 million in crypto assets in August and has bought even more the past few weeks. So they bought $500 million in August. What are they doing right now? Current cryptocurrency trading platform Coinbase has a strong fourth quarter, but the depression in the crypto market has investors and even the company see suite searching for answers. Coinbase, nearly 30% year-to-date decline, has outpaced the current market being down 20%. So Coinbase is down a little bit, but what do? So it says right here, Coinbase doubles down on crypto holdings. Coinbase purchases another $350 million in cryptocurrency over the last few weeks. The company said during an earnings call this week. So they got $500 million right below that in August. You see it right here, $500 million. And they just came and purchased another $350 million. Yeah, somebody's loading up. At this time, Coinbase said it would be investing 10% of all the profits going forward into cryptocurrencies, with plans for the percentage to keep growing over time as the crypto economy matures. So yep, $500 million in August and $350 million just a second ago. So taking a look, Coinbase continues to buy crypto even as the market struggles. Let's talk about that. Is that a good strategy? All these coins are down right now to kind of reload back up, buying the dip. El Salvador, I don't know. You got to ask yourself, what are you looking for the coins to go down to? Now, if you believe in these projects, and I know there's a lot of uncertainty, what's going on with the war, what's going on with COVID, what's going on with the different people with jobs and unemployment and stimulus checks and everything you can think of. But if you believed in the project and you think it's going to be good, and you can think in your mind it's going to be there in 6 months from now, or a year from now, or 3 years from now, maybe worth and putting your money into that. Now, again, remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. All right, let's head back over to VVS Finance, check out a little bit more of their website, and head back over to do a price prediction. Right here, VVS Finance, very simple DeFi trading for all. That's what it stands for, VVS Finance. Your gateway to decentralized finance movements. Take control of your finance and enjoy sparkly VVS rewards. Now, if you look here at these little diamonds here, you're going to see a little miner. Boom, there's the miner popping out and stuff. All right, we aim to make DeFi simple and within reach of billions. It's got low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. We got shiny yield farming opportunities, clear incentives for all, and hardened security for the governance. The shiny yield opportunity, these streams of passive income to multiply your assets, the rarest and brightest yield farms in VVS farms. Now, you've been hearing a lot about this passive income. People are liking it in the crypto space. Clear incentives for all, token economics, and incentives built for long-term value creations. Our minds will always be bountiful. It says choose your path and join the DeFi movement. Over to the right here, I like this one. Be a VVS miner. Your passive income, crystallize your VVS token, staking for a fixed amount to receive even more VVS tokens. Stake and forget, that's simple. Be liquidity providers, low minimums. Simple. Supply a token pair to receive liquidity providers, LP tokens, collect transactions, fees, and farm shiny VVS rewards. Be a DeFi trader, swap instantly. Instant swaps, tokens with low fees and slippage. Keep your eyes on the new pairs and new tokens, new listings. So all kinds of good stuff here. Be a DeFi trader, be a liquidity provider, or be a VVS miner. Over here, VVS tokens is at a core of the VVS Finance. It has value, which is for stake and rewards. It is utility. The stash to join is coming soon. And governance, hold to vote coming soon. Couple things here on the Twitter account. Cronos chain ecosystem keeps growing. Welcome to VVS Finance DApp Radar. Radar has been listed on VVS with initial liquidity added to Cronos, CRO, and Radar. So DApp Radar is now on VVS. Fantastic. Go up a little bit more. Welcome D-Race NFTs to the Cronos chain to the VVS Finance. DERC has been whitelisted on VVS and initial liquidity added to the CRO stash DERC pool. So a couple good things going on right there, everybody. And here's the third one. The tokens keep coming. The third one of the week. Welcome to VVS Finance. Pedal has been listed to VVS and initial liquidity added to CRO/pedal pool. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, there's 4 zeros and a 29.25. What's our price prediction? It's down 14% this week and bounced back 5%. I think it could get back to where it was about a week ago. That's our information, and all our information is for educational purposes only. Keep an eye on this cryptocurrency. A lot of good things going on with it. Thinking it can bounce back right here to this 14%. Already bounced back 5%. It's nice to see everything on the green right here. See the green, which is fantastic. It's better than the red. Looking at the top 10 here, look at all the green. Avalanche is back up 7%. Luna's up 13%. Solana's up 7%. Cardano's up 6%. Oh, this is awesome. XRP is up 9%. BNB is up 4%. Ethereum is up 8%. And even Bitcoin is up 3%. Some fantastic stuff right there, everybody. VVS Finance, all kinds of good stuff. Number one project on Cronos, 59% of the TVL locked with the VVS. Fantastic. Coinbase is out there buying more cryptocurrencies, 500 million in the summertime, an extra 350 million today. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Drip Network, get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. Check that out. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later on today.